Good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly. I'm going to start off by congratulating our students and once again saying how proud I am of the work that you put in this week in supporting our SWPBS goal of following instructions. Next week we're going to focus on lining up, entering the classroom or the learning space one at a time and sitting on the floor in an orderly way, ready to commence our learning. I said once again, we'll certainly look forward to seeing our students completing that goal when I walk around the school. I would like to say also congratulations students. It's great to see everybody respecting our school facility, specifically our gardens. Wonderful to see our students walking around the gardens and not taking the shortcut across the tambark. And that way we can avoid stepping on plants and giving the plants a chance to grow into big, healthy, shady shrubs. I also, children, would like you to remind your parents about the parent-teacher conferences coming up. All the information is on Compass, and we look forward to seeing as many parents as possible coming into the school, into your learning space, and spending 10 minutes having a chat with your teacher, so your parents can share everything about you and your teachers can let your parents know how you've settled into school. So just give mum and dad a reminder about parent-teacher conferences. Two final things I've got to say. One is a reminder about hats. It is just so important that we wear our approved school hat on the way to school, on the way home from school, during recess and lunch, and any time we're completing outdoor activities. Remember to read every single night or every single day, even on weekends. That is so important, as you know. A reminder to children, if you are riding scooters or bikes, not only to and from school, but even on weekends or after school, please ensure that you wear a helmet and please ensure that you have the chin strap clipped up so the helmet's not going to flop off your head. Well, that's all from me today, everyone. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend. And I certainly look forward to seeing you around the school. Take care, everybody.
Hello there everyone, and a very warm welcome back to our 2023 school year. It's so wonderful to see you all back at school. Well, this year once again I am back with Mrs. Wrigley's Riddles and Jokes. So every week I'll come to you with either a riddle to get your brain really thinking or a joke to give you a little bit of a laugh, because who doesn't love a laugh? Alright, are you ready? Here we go for this week. I follow you all the time and copy your every move, but you can't touch me or catch me. What am I? I'm going to give you 10 seconds thinking time. See if you can work out the answer. All right, let's hear that one more time. I follow you all the time and copy your every move, but you can't touch me or catch me. What am I? The answer is your shadow. Great job, good thinking, and I hope you all were able to get that one. If not, don't worry, there'll be another one coming soon. Have a wonderful week and enjoy this beautiful sunshine we're having.
Mm-hmm.